Welcome to CDIS 311, Orientation to Practicum. This course is exciting because it gets you ready for your first client. So you are getting closer to actually working with clients and putting all the things that you've learned through your other coursework into action and start applying that information. Some things that I want to remind you regarding this course. First of all, make sure that you read all the announcements. The announcements provide a lot of information about projects, um, different things that you need to know, so please make sure you review the announcements. Second of all, some study guide tips on how to best get the information from this course. Using the text in conjunction with the PowerPoints is the best way as you read through your textbook, follow along with the PowerPoints that are included, and also use the study questions and the test questions that are found at the end of each chapter. All of these will be very useful when you're studying for your Module 1 and 2 tests. So if you review the PowerPoints, review the study questions, the information on the Modular 1 and 2 tests should not be too surprising for you. That should be a good study guide or a good resource for you to do that. The next thing I want to talk about to you is your oral presentation. There will be an oral presentation that you will need to make and send me the video link. If you choose to use a YouTube video, please copy the link rather than sharing the video. In the past, sharing the video has created some issues. So it's best to copy the link. If you can make it a hyperlink so I can click right on it and go right to your video, that would be the best in terms of submitting your oral presentation to me. While you're doing your oral presentation, please check the rubric regarding the oral presentation. Remember, this is to be a professional presentation. Please be cognizant of the background that you have when you're recording your video. Also dress appropriately as if you were presenting to the class, presenting to professionals, as well as have your content well organized and presented very succinctly and concisely. The last one I want to share with you about is your intervention resources portfolio. That is worth 200 points. Again, this portfolio should be professionally done. It should be very well organized with the information very easy to access. These portfolios are for you as students to use, and you're going to share those at the end of this course, so everyone hopefully will have some resources, a toolbox for different types of clients that you might have during your practicum and on into your graduate program and on into your first real job. So it's very important that the information is concise, that it's very easy to follow, and is very informative and professionally done. So please think about that when you're doing your intervention resources portfolio, that these are something that you're going to use throughout your career. Hopefully there will be a variety so that when you leave this course, you will not have a lot of resources on language and none on stuttering or swallowing, but that you have a variety. So hopefully that will occur throughout the course. Again, this is just an intro to CDS 311. Hope you enjoy the class.